It's Tuesday, March 31st. In the headlines, Project STAR and the Canadian High Commission launches school recovery program for hurricane-hit institutions in Westmoreland and St. James. Education Ministry says transformation plans remains on track. In business news, 5 financial institutions get liquidity support from central bank. Regionally, a Russian oil tanker arrives in Cuba, first shipment since January. And in sports, Reggae boys embrace underdog role in high-stakes World Cup playoff against DR Congo. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.